Hello, my friends. Today I try to speak English while my translator went to another country, and now we have to work remotely. I hope you can understand my speech. I speak English not so good, but it's a little challenge for me. Today I want to speak how to packing guitar for post shipping. I have here one guitar. This is Les Paul, and this guitar today must fly to Georgia, not US Georgia state, but mountainous country with awesome people, Gamadjoba, Madloba, Rkasiteli, Tsinandali, Hachapuri, Georgia. This summer I was with my family in Georgia and have to meet my friend, customer for this guitar. I have painted this guitar and make some relic. And I went with my family to Georgia, to Batumi, and make some photos for my Instagram. And this guy messaged to me, oh, this small world, you are in Batumi. I said, yes, I'm in Batumi. I'm too. We have to meet. And this day we meet and drink some wine. This was awesome meeting. Anyway, now this guitar must fly to not Batumi, to Tbilisi, and I have to pack in this guitar. And you see how I do this job. This is not easy, but very important. This is my wife's workshop, art workshop, and here I keep some packing materials. Let's see what I have here. Here I have double layer corrugate board. You see, double layer. It's very strong. This is packing cloth, so thin. So this is foam rubber. I have a more big piece of this material. So let's go. I have forget. Very important thing. It's oh yeah. Bubble wrap. Okay, this very important thing for packing guitar. Okay, this is left-handed Les Paul. I can play this guitar while it's left-handed. Anyway, here I have the best strip locks ever. It's Grolsch beer bottle rings. Okay, this is light relic pickguard. First of all, I must cover fretboard. This tune, this became here. Okay. So okay, now it's good. Now it's okay. So puzzle. Okay, one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 2, 3. Okay. Oh. This is not an important place. Okay. I make 2 layers of this foil. So this back side is very important too. Okay. Two layers corrugate board. 16 centimeters. 16 or 70. Let's take 70. So 16, 70. Okay. I use this piece later. this is invoice for Georgian customs. And now I must cover this box with Scotch tape. This is wet security. So my friends, this box is ready. Now I go to post office to shipping this guitar. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to this channel, ring the bell, or subscribe to my Patreon account, and your support is very important for me. So till next time, rock and roll for all. It was a little difficult for me. Как это слово-то? Ё-моё. Google Translator. Das ist zu schwer. Nächstes Mal muss ich Deutsch sprechen. Rock'n'Roll für alle.